I'm called Vanessa Vironji. I came across a job advert requesting for me.
Sabrina, what's going on there?
There's a beggar claiming to be here for a job interview.
I was expecting her. Let her come in.
I promise I can work, sir.
Just put her on probation.
So I'm hired. Thank you, sir. Don't let me go back to the suffering I've survived because I've suffered enough.
Is this how you're going to work?
Sorry, madam.
Don't madam me.
If you agree, I can take you with me back to UK.
I first have to talk to Sajak about it.
I should look more relevant compared to William. Vanessa is the right woman to marry.
Very soon she's becoming your sweetheart, I suppose.
Never give up.
I'm seeing dust everywhere. Where is your working station?
Will I ever do anything pleasant for my boss?
It seems she has started loving my brother. How did you enter into Vanessa's room?
Are you in love with my brother?
No, sir.
But I've been seeing you lately, both of you, the way you behave.
My dignity has been trampled on. All because of stupid accusations that I never even get to understand.
Are you not even ashamed of yourself? That you want to just use her?
What you've just done out there is murder.
It's the winds of change.